It's a very exciting day for me, ladies and gentlemen, because I have a brand new QUIVR product here to show you guys. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, show you exactly what it is and why I created it. So this is the QUIVR Beach Towel, not a beach towel. You actually see here, little play on words, right? The QUIVR Beach Towel, not a right above it. I wanted to go that route. Again, the whole brand is built off my past history of surfing, and I think when we all first started washing our cars years and years ago, it was always, oh, go grab the beach towel to dry the car, right? Obviously not a good thing to do. That is why this is the not a beach towel. This, on the other hand, is a premium South Korean made twist loop microfiber that is extremely short. Still holds a ton of water, fantastic absorbency, really nice feel. But I did the short pile, short nap, short twist loop for a specific reason. And the reason that I wanted to do this, obviously the House of Rags, right? I'm partnered up with them for my distribution of things, and I have access to things because of them that I wouldn't have had originally. They have all their huge line of towels that are phenomenal, and I was able to go through their towel manufacturer for this. So this is a partnership between the House of Rags and myself to create this towel. Now let's go ahead and jump back a little bit because I want to explain something. My favorite towels, I've reviewed a bunch of different towels in the past. My favorite type of drying towel is a twist loop drying towel. I think it does a phenomenal job picking up the water, leaving a streak-free finish. So you may be thinking, great, Josh, if you love the regular style twist loop so much, why bother coming out with your own? And there's one specific reason for it, and one specific reason why I went with the short nap, short pile of the same similar kind of twist loop style. The reason is, in the past, now this doesn't happen all the time, but in the past I've had issues two ways. One, sometimes it can snag and get kind of pull one of the fibers out on a traditional style twist loop towel. Not a big deal, they still work 100% perfectly well. Again, I love those things. The one thing that I have had some issues with and it has scared me quite a bit is sometimes when I go over emblems of vehicles, especially if it has a fiber that's been pulled, sometimes it can grab on the edge of that. And I had it once on an older vehicle like this one behind me. I was working on it, and a customer's, the emblem's a little bit looser. I pulled across, one of the fibers was a little bit loose, caught on there and actually snapped the emblem, an edge of it. So went back to the customer, which is the worst thing in the world. You never want to have to go explain to a customer that something happened and the car was damaged. Luckily, it was just the emblem. The customer was great. I rectified the problem, made sure that that all got sorted out. He was happy and very understandable, which I appreciate. But that is the main reason that I wanted to create something that is kind of the blend of both worlds, so that it kind of gives me the ultimate solution. Twist loop construction, so it absorbs a ton of water, but a tighter, shorter pile, so that we don't have any issues with it grabbing on anything. Now with the QUIVR Beach Towel, or not a beach towel, I haven't had any concerns, any issues with that. I'm able to go directly over emblems without any issue. Even on newer vehicles, guys, a lot of times they're just adhered on, right, with like a double-sided tape, and sometimes the edge can still be loose, even though it's not the same kind of thing as like on these older vehicles where they're pinned in. Even when they're glued on, sometimes there's a little edge, again, that can grab onto, and depending on the logo, it can snap. So with this towel, it drastically reduces the chances of that happening. Again, glides right over them, absorbs all the water, and you're good to go. The not a beach towel, play on words. The construction of this thing, we have the stripe. It's like if you're at a nice resort in Cabo San Lucas or something. You go down to the beach towel they're gonna give you is like this. Obviously, it is the QUIVR teal color. So obviously, I'm in love with it for that. Edgeless construction. It's actually rolled over so you don't have any hard edge. There is some sew lines right in the middle here just to keep it all together, because it is, basically two sides woven together. Let's go ahead and talk about the size, the GSM, all that kind of good stuff. Now, this is a South Korean made towel. This is an 80-20 blend, so 80% polyester, 20% polyamide. As you can see, size-wise, it's basically a square. It's not quite. If you look at the packaging, I'm gonna go and grab it for you guys here. It lists 28 by 31. If you measure this thing out, it's slightly bigger in my opinion. I guess it just depends on how you lay it out, but I basically measured it at about 30 to 32, 30 by 32, so slightly bigger than that, but again, the biggest thing, I don't want to overstate and overpromise things. I'd rather underpromise and overdeliver, right? Same thing with my QUIVR Hot Coat Ceramic Detail Spray. I list that as a 3-month protection. I personally get a lot more than that, but I don't want to tell you guys, oh, you're going to get whatever, and then have a situation where it doesn't last that long, I'd rather under promise, over deliver. That's how I've ran my detail business for the past 20 years. That's how I want to run this as well. Now, let's go ahead and talk GSM. This is listed, again, 1,080, so just shy of 1,100 GSM for this towel. So how do you calculate that? For me, I take the measurements of a square meter, right? I take the inches times the inches of what a square meter is. Then the 1,080 goes up top, right? So that's the numerator. On the other side, I take the dimensions of this. Again, we're listed at 28 to 31. Multiply that together, that gives us our denominator. Then we're able to multiply it, crossed over, and then divide, and that gives us our GSM. That was insanely probably confusing, so I apologize. Just negate that. But just so you know, it is a proper 1080. It's actually, if we take the 28 by 31, it's actually slightly higher in real life. So here is my little chicken scratch notes of the equation. And basically, so as you can see, 868 is the 28 times 31. That gives us 868. Square meters comes to 1550. We put the 1080 above that. We multiply 868 times 1080 divided by 1550. That gives us 604. So when we weigh this thing out on a scale, it should come to 604 grams if it's actually a 1080 GSM towel. So having my shipping department here in my warehouse, I actually went ahead, folded this thing up as neatly as I could, put it on the scale, had it all tared out, put it into grams, and it came in at 634 grams. And at that number, if you extrapolate that out, that actually puts us at slightly above 1,100 GSM, like 1,130 or so. But again, under promise, over deliver. So 1,080 GSM, 28 by 31, fantastic towel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a bunch of use cases of this thing. I've been using this, well, to be perfectly honest, I've been using this for a few days. I had a pre-production sample. It was the exact same thing, just different colors. And I've been using that for months. So total confidence in this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, again, the use case. I've probably been showing it throughout this entire thing. But again, around emblems, phenomenal. Normal, just drying of a whole vehicle. Door jams, absolutely phenomenal as well. I don't know, if it just feels like the density of this towel does a phenomenal job getting in there and getting everything all dried up. Pricing, let's go ahead and go over pricing. This thing is going to be coming in at a price of $29.99. Currently only available on thehouseofrags.com. Use code I'mJoshV over there, 10% 10% off site-wide with that code I'mJoshV. And then I will be stocking these in my location as well as on my personal website as well, dtlrsupply.com. Soon. They're not on there yet, but they will be coming soon. But absolutely ecstatic about this product. Again, QUIVR, the name QUIVR is based off of having a quiver of surfboards, basically a different surfboard for every situation, every different type of wave. And that's what I wanted to create within the detailing space. I wanted a tool for every situation. Obviously, we have to dry cars, and the QUIVR, not a beach towel, is here. Now, with all of that said, guys, I do want to be very, very clear about something. If you have products that you already use and you absolutely love, there is no reason to change. I appreciate the support. I do want you guys to buy this and try it out and see how it works. But if you're already happy with the towel you're using and you don't buy it, like, no worries, guys. I totally understand. Again, I appreciate all of you. So anyways, guys, with that said, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.